For this week's direct instruction, we are going to look at some vocabulary words and some common usage problems. These are some words that are often confused and used incorrectly, either because we don't know their proper definition or we're so used to hearing them used improperly that we just continue that trend. So we'll be looking at different pairs of words and then practicing using them properly. The first pair that I'd like to look at today is accept and accept. I've seen and heard many students use these two words incorrectly. The first word, accept, is a verb, and it means to receive something. For example, I will accept the reward, so I will receive the award. The second word, accept, is a preposition. It means leaving out or other than. So everyone is going to the movies except Phil. Okay, so he's being left out. Everyone other than Phil is going to the movies. The second pair that I'd like to look at is adapt versus adopt. The first one, adapt, is a verb, and it means to change. So animals often learn to adapt to live in their environment. So they change to live in whatever environment they're in. The second word, adopt, is also a verb, but it means to take as one's own. All right. So we will adopt a dog from the Humane Society. So we are going to take it as our own, and we're going to take care of that dog. The third pair, and this I will admit even troubles me sometimes if I don't stop and think about it. Affect versus affect. Affect, effect. Affect is a verb, which means to influence. So the man's illness affected his performance at work. Affect with an A is a verb. That is the important part to remember. The second word, effect, is a noun, and it means result. There are numerous effects of pollution on our environment. We know that it's effect because we're looking at results, and this sentence already has the verb are. The next group of words, already versus already. The first one, already, is an expression meaning ready. We are all ready to go skiing. So all of us are ready. The second one, already, is an adverb meaning by or before this time. For example, I can't believe that it's already almost Christmas. So you're saying that it came upon me so quickly. I can't believe it's here already. Another example, or another word pair, all together versus altogether. All together means all at once. The girls went to the bathroom, no, all at once. It should say all together. Or all together means completely or in all. A rainforest is not altogether the same as a jungle, so it's not completely the same. Now, let's practice. I would like you to take a couple minutes and practice, or take a couple seconds, and jot down what you feel is the correct answer to each of the following questions. Our class has adapted or adopted a new research project policy. The second one. The way we find our information affects or effects our grade. The rainforest topic was already or already taken. Some think it is altogether or altogether too difficult. All right, let's review the practice. In the first one, our class has adapted or adopted a new research project policy. The correct answer is adopted. We've taken it as our own. So we may have changed it, but now we are saying that it is ours and this is our policy. The way we find our information affects or effects our grade. The correct answer to this one is affects with an A. It influences our grade. The rainforest topic was already taken. Already, one word is the correct answer. The last one, some think it is altogether too difficult. Again, one word, altogether. And finally, there's one more set of commonly misused words that we definitely have to discuss, because these are 3 of my pet peeves that I see misused without any rhyme or reason. And those would be there, and there. The first there, T-H-E-R-E, is a direction, and it points to something. There is a red car in the lot. There is a chair. Let's go there, aka the store, the mall, whatever, to a destination. The second there, T-H-E-I-R, is possessive. That means that it shows ownership. Their car is red. It belongs to them. The third there, T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E, is a contraction, meaning they are. They're waiting to see if Santa comes. They are waiting to see if Santa comes. You really need to take time to make sure that you are using the proper there when you are writing. It is extremely important. It shows a level of sophistication and education within your writing. So please take time to look at these when you are handing in assignments, especially formal essays. For your assignment this week, related to the direct instruction on commonly misused words, I would like you to write an original sentence that uses each of these commonly misused words correctly. Therefore, we've gone over 13 words. You will need to write 13 original sentences. Be sure to underline or bold the commonly misused word in each of your sentences. If you have any questions or need any help, please feel free to send me an email. Thanks, and have a good week.